Welcome to the next video. Today we will explore some thrilling and sometimes unbelievable traffic situations. From strong rear-end collisions that will make you jump, to dramatic collisions between motorbikes and cars, and even dangerous speed races on the highway. Follow along to see more of these memorable moments and learn a lesson for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. Let's get started. A car tried to cut in from behind. It seemed like everything was planned out, but boom, it was thrown off course. Oh no, it was a real life and death situation. He had just turned the car in the wrong place when he was immediately discovered by the police. Look. Police car was coming to chase him. It seemed like the motorcyclist decided to drive with his eyes closed, as if playing a dangerous game on the street. It was puzzling that he couldn't notice the big truck right in front of him. Situations like this make us wonder, where is the driver's consciousness? When you drive a vehicle, your own safety and the safety of everyone around you depends on your attention and caution. A moment of distraction, a look away, can lead to serious accident. This is not only a matter of driving skills, but also a sense of responsibility. Add another bump to the list. Did this car decide to go big for once, even if it was in a dormant state? Oh, this is so horrible. I can't believe there are drivers who drive like they are in a race, encroaching on the opposite lane and speeding. These dangerous actions not only threaten their own lives, but also endanger all other road users. These idiots should not be on the road. For these drivers, traffic rules seem to be just decoration. They drive without any concern for their own safety and that of others. Really, such actions need to be dealt with severely. We cannot let these irresponsible people continue to cause danger on the road. Let's build a safe and responsible traffic environment together, and don't give such idiots the chance to hurt anyone else. What do you think about this situation? Could the driver have mistakenly stepped on the gas pedal instead of the brake? This is a plausible hypothesis given the serious consequences we have just witnessed. Mistaking the gas pedal can happen in a moment of panic or distraction, especially for those who are unfamiliar with their vehicle or lack driving experience. Oh look, the truck just turned like a ballet dancer and created a cinematic scene for the car behind. It was like an action movie with unpredictable situations, a moment of distraction, and boom, this was definitely a racing with a spin competition. Wow, look at that. Crazy drivers are running through the intersection like wild horses in the pasture. It's the freestyle racing season that everyone wants to join. Who needs rules when you can run through the intersection with such an adventurous style? Crazy. Oh look! A reckless swerve almost turned the driver into a risky hero when he almost killed all 4 people in the car. Oh no, this series of collisions is really as serious as an action movie. Moreover, driving in the dark and rainy conditions is like participating in a blind race. Maybe it's time for drivers to be more careful with the rain and darkness. Otherwise, there will be more classic action scenes. It's unbelievable. The car is climbing on top of another car in a mid-air stunt. In any collision situation, it seems like anything can happen. It looks like a horse. I hope it's not too badly hurt. It looks like the car missed the turn and tried to make a right turn as an unwanted adventure. The result was a hard hit to the side like an ill-timed clap. Hopefully the occupants are safe and can laugh about the situation after recovering. When we witness traffic accidents, they are not only dramatic scenes, but also opportunities to learn and improve our driving skills. Here are some important tips to help you become a safer driver. Always observe carefully. Before performing any maneuvers such as turning or changing lanes, be sure to observe your mirrors and check your blind spots. This helps you detect other vehicles and avoid unnecessary collisions. Keep a safe distance. Make sure to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front of you to have enough time to react in case of an unexpected incident. Drive at the right speed. Adjust your speed to the road and weather condition. Rain or darkness can reduce visibility and increase the possibility of skidding. Follow traffic rules. Obey all traffic rules and road signs. Failure to follow the rules is not only dangerous for you, but also for those around you. Focus while driving. Avoid distractions while driving, such as using your phone or eating. High concentration helps you react quickly to any unexpected situation. Regular vehicle inspection. Make sure your vehicle is always in the best condition with regular inspection and proper maintenance. Every accident situation is a valuable lesson for us to learn from and improve our driving skills. Drive carefully and responsibly. Welcome to the end of today's video. We have witnessed dangerous traffic situations and valuable lessons about road safety. Hopefully, these images and comments have helped you better understand the importance of obeying traffic laws and driving safely. If you find the video useful and want to receive more similar content, please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and relatives to spread the message of traffic safety together. Thank you for accompanying us, and see you in the next videos.